You are watching AliAziz Quality Education YouTube channel.
Human Factors in BSc Aircraft Maintenance Engineering Technology, AMET, by AliAziz Quality Education.
AliAziz Quality Education channel, providing you the aviation industry-related videos. So don't forget the subscription button.
The Human Factors is one of the most important courses in aircraft maintenance engineering. It focuses on how human performance, behavior, and limitations affect safety, efficiency, and reliability in aviation maintenance operations. Since aircraft systems are highly complex and safety critical, even small human errors can lead to major incidents. Therefore, understanding human factors helps maintenance engineers reduce errors, improve communication, enhance teamwork, and ensure compliance with safety standards such as those set by EASA, ICAO, and FAA. Objectives of subject human factors. To understand how human behavior and limitations influence aircraft maintenance and safety. To identify causes of human error and learn methods to prevent them. To study ergonomics, communication, and teamwork in aviation environments. To apply human factors principles to improve safety culture and maintenance quality. To understand EASA Part 66 and Part 145 Human Factors Requirements. Main topics covered. 1. Introduction to human factors. Definition and scope of human factors in aviation. Importance of human factors in maintenance operations. ICAO and EASA regulations related to human factors. The Dirty Dozen, 12 common causes of human error in aviation maintenance. 1. Lack of communication. 2. Complacency. 3. Lack of knowledge. 4. Distraction. 5. Lack of teamwork. 6. Fatigue. 7. Lack of resources. 8. Pressure. 9. Lack of assertiveness. 10. Stress. 11. Lack of awareness. 12. Norms. 2. Human performance and limitations. Basic physiology, sleep, vision, hearing, and physical limitations. Fatigue and circadian rhythm effects on maintenance performance. Human reaction time, perception, and attention. Workload management and concentration improvement. The effects of alcohol, drugs, and medication on performance. 3. Communication in maintenance. Importance of clear and precise communication between engineers, pilots, and supervisors. Barriers to communication, language, stress, noise, and environment. Use of technical documentation, AMET, job cards, logbooks. Shift handover communication and record keeping. Strategies for effective teamwork and briefings. 4. Human error and error management. Types of errors, slips, lapses, mistakes, and violations. Error models, reasons, Swiss cheese model. Error management techniques. Error prevention, training, procedures, and environment. Error trapping, supervision and peer checks. Error mitigation, safety nets and corrective actions. Reporting and learning from errors, non-punitive culture. 5. Safety culture and organization factors. Understanding safety culture in aviation organizations. The role of management and employees in promoting safety. Just culture versus blame culture. Continuous improvement and feedback systems. 6. Situational Awareness, SA. Definition and importance of situational awareness in maintenance. Levels of SA. Perception, noticing what is happening. Comprehension, understanding what it means. Projection, anticipating what will happen next. Factors reducing SA, distraction, stress, workload, and poor communication. Maintaining SA through checklists and teamwork. 7. Teamwork and leadership. Characteristics of an effective maintenance team. Leadership styles in maintenance organizations. Role of the supervisor and certifying staff. Team coordination in high-stress or time-limited tasks. Conflict resolution and collaboration skills. 8. Stress, fatigue, and workload. Causes and effects of stress in aviation maintenance. Relationship between fatigue, shift work, and performance. Coping strategies for stress management. Workload balancing and resource management techniques. 9. Ergonomics and workplace design. Principles of ergonomics and human-machine interaction. Designing workspaces for comfort, safety, and efficiency. Importance of proper lighting, temperature, and noise control. Use of personal protective equipment, PPE. 10. Human factors in maintenance operations. Maintenance environment, hangar, ramp, and workshop safety. Time pressure and task prioritization. Importance of inspection accuracy and documentation. Human factors during troubleshooting and component replacement. Importance for AMET students. Develops awareness of human error risks and how to control them. Builds interpersonal skills for teamwork and communication. Helps future maintenance engineers meet EASA Part 145 safety and quality requirements. Improves safety mindset, decision-making, and personal responsibility. Career relevance. After studying human factors, students can work effectively in aircraft maintenance organizations, MROs, as licensed engineers or technicians. Safety and quality assurance departments. Human factors trainers in aviation institutions. Regulatory authorities or safety investigation teams. Conclusion. Human factors is a crucial subject in BSc Aircraft Maintenance Engineering Technology, AMET, because it bridges the gap between technical skills and human behavior. It helps students understand how to minimize errors, enhance safety, and maintain professionalism in the aviation industry. By mastering human factors, AMET graduates become safer, more reliable, and more effective aircraft maintenance engineers.